Today we're going to be looking at something very special and unique, an Allard J2X, Hemi powered, 3-speed manual. Hop on in, Tom will do a cold start and take it for a road test.
All right, well, I'm flying solo at the moment, so we're going to do our cold start. This is a rare 1952 Allard with a 354 cubic inch Hemi. We're going to get on the road, warm it up a little bit. It is resplendent in black with a dark green interior. It's got quite the nice rear view mirror, which you can see just about everything. Lovely windscreens that just about protect you from anything. Just enough gauges and amenities to know what you're doing and when, and to enjoy them on a rally or tour, which it is eligible for, and it is eligible for some of the best ones around. Just in case you have to light that cigar going down the road. Boy, they thought of everything. It was the era where you could race, get out of the car and have a cigarette, so why not? We're going fast even when we're not going. So we can take a look at that, because the speedo is obviously not accurate. As I've said in the past, it's actually extremely easy to use. It's got a long footwell, so even taller people can fit in the car. It is one of the most visceral feelings you can have, in my opinion. As it's warming up, it's got excellent oil pressure. The water temp isn't really up just yet. You can feel the Mopar Hemi of it. It's kind of weird, but cool. Keep looking for the CarPlay, but it's not here. There is no CarPlay. Send on the CarPlay. It is cool. You would never expect muscle like this from a car that looks like this. Man, it goes, that's for sure. As an Anglophile, this is certainly a little bit of hot rodding the English way. But man, it is everything hot rodding. It exudes hot rodding. I'm gonna take it down one of my favorite roads over here. I have been lucky enough to drive several Allards at speed with a friend of mine on rallies, and it is incredibly enjoyable. Wind in the air, power, torque, and reliability. Well, there's not a lot to go wrong here, but that is definitely not accurate. I love that when you rev it and just tells you, I'm here. This is a lot of power. There is an original wheel that comes with the car. This is a slightly smaller diameter Motorlita, which was preferred by its previous owner. There is a set of chrome wire wheels that are used for show. Welcome to the North Shore of Long Island at dusk. We do have some great roads here, even though we're an island. I think shortly we're going to get together with a friend of mine who runs 2-lane touring rallies, and we're going to have a rally here in Long Island. I think it's going to be more of a couples rally restaurants. I think we're going to start at the TWA Hotel at John F. Kennedy Airport, down the south shore of Long Island to the Hamptons, go through the various Hamptons, go to Montauk, then venture onto Shelter Island to Greenport, which is the North Fork of Long Island and where all the vineyards are, and also has some spectacular roads that we can navigate, spend the night, enjoy a couple of the vineyards, and then head back the remainder of the way, as they say, the Gold Coast of Long Island, where we are at the moment, with all the estates right on the sound, the water. That this rally is going to be surrounded by good food and drink, good times, and probably a few later than normal rally starts in the morning. Because after all, we're looking to enjoy the scenery, the automobiles, the people, maybe take in a spa or two along the way, make new friends, bring old friends. It is really easy to use, fun, torquey. We're on our way to a friend's house to see if we can start his Aston. You're flying Air Allard with Tom as your single pilot. Those flybys. On the way back to Autosport. We're going to put it through the shop, clean it up, take care of the little items that we spoke of. We have enjoyed putting almost 30 miles on the Allard during the road test. It has performed flawlessly. It brakes, stops as it should. Temperatures, pressures are all great. I think we've shown how fast this thing really is. It is enjoyable. We'll head through suburbia on our way back, because between today and last night, she will have spoken for herself on the open roads of Long Island. Everyone's Christmas decorations are up. Oh, look, a Hanukkah aardvark. Oh no, that was just, no, that was just a reindeer. Back to cruising. And this is where we say thank you very much for watching yet again. Please enjoy all our videos on our YouTube channel, some of my Instagrams, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. See ya.